Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can rename a playlist on YouTube Music. So let's get started. Firstly, open YouTube Music app in your device. Then tap on Library. Next, find the playlist which you want to rename. Next, tap on three dots icon. After that, tap on Edit Playlist. Next, tap on Title. Then rename. Next, tap on Done. So, this is how you can rename your playlist on YouTube Music. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.